Hi guys, I'm here today with Amit. I've known Amit for years now. Years and years ago we used to go to the gym. You can tell he still does. I need to step it up a bit. We used to be doing some deadlifts together. But yeah, we just done this house for him. What have we done for you out here, Amit?
You done the roof, the gutters, the fascias and the driveway.
And the driveway.
And yeah, as you can see, it's been sanded as well.
Yeah.
And they did the back garden for us as well. Obviously I've known Conan for many years, and I started actually with you when you was doing bins.
Bins, yeah.
So you gave me a round, so I was doing
Amit just reminded me when I came today to see the job. He just reminded me. Yeah, he told the guys that years ago he actually was out doing the bins with us.
when you started, and now your empire is growing.
Yeah, getting there.
So guys, if you want anything done, driveways, your bins, your fascias, anything like that, Conan's the man. LBC is the one. The service, the actual product and everything that he does is spot on. I was telling Conan, one of his colleagues, Daniel, is it Daniel?
Daniel, yeah.
Customer service is 10/10. The way he speaks to you, the way he does things, they even go that extra little mile. Doesn't matter, it doesn't cost them anything. But going that extra mile for me is, yeah.
Nice,
That's,
appreciate that.
10/10.
Thank you very much. Lovely. Cheers buddy.
No worries.
Good man. Cheers.